Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. According to United States Geological Survey, an earthquake of 4.5 magnitude felt in Philippines. Depth of this earthquake is 56.1 kilometer and this earthquake felt on April 22, 2022. Local time is 12:21 p.m. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: overcast clouds, 27.2 degrees centigrade, 81 Fahrenheit, humidity is 84% and wind is 8 meters per second from north and east. Estimated release energy from this quake is 98.6 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 84.8 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about earthquake. Also do share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.